Welcome to the ultimate C++ masterclass, from zero to expert, a visual and practical journey into modern C++ 20. Whether you're an absolute beginner or an intermediate level programmer looking to master modern C++, this is the course for you. Introducing the complete C++ visual and practical course, Zero to Mastery, an innovative and in-depth Udemy course that will take you on a journey from understanding the basics to implementing complex projects in C++ 14, C++ 17, and C++ 20. This course is designed for anyone who wants to learn modern C++ and its latest features, using visual learning, real-world projects, and hands-on experience. The question is, why this course? Well, C++ is a powerful language, but learning it can be overwhelming if not taught correctly. In this course, we don't just focus on memorizing syntax or learning how to write code. Instead, we empower you with a deep, intuitive understanding of the fundamental concepts that drive C++ programming. You'll learn how to think like a programmer, solve problems creatively, and develop efficient solutions using modern C++. Many students struggle with programming because they dive into code without grasping the underlying principles. We tackle this challenge by focusing on a strong fundamental understanding of a programming logic and core concepts just before jumping into writing code. Our course is designed to bridge the gap between theory and practical application, using visual representations to explain complex topics. This approach makes learning C++ engaging and intuitive, helping you to really master difficult topics like pointers, memory management, and smart pointers with ease. What do we mean by visual and hands-on approach? Well, one of the biggest obstacles in learning complex programming topics is the reliance on abstract concepts. This course simplifies challenging topics through a visual-first approach, making even the most intricate subjects easy to grasp. Concepts such as pointers, references, and memory allocations are demystifying using visual diagrams and practical demonstrations, allowing you to visualize how things work under the hood. From visualizing memory leaks to understanding dangling pointers, we leave no stone unturned in ensuring you build a strong, comprehensive understanding. By using modern features like smart pointers, we guide you through avoiding common pitfalls like memory mismanagement that often lead to bugs and crashes in C++ applications. And at the end of every section, we give you a mission in which you can test what you have learned throughout the section, and we will give you the solution as well. And every lecture has a PDF and coding file which has visual and practical examples with it. You can download them all for free to practice or repeat the topics later, or even share it with your friends and colleagues. Now let's talk about a comprehensive journey through C++ 20. This course is not just another coding tutorial. It's an immersive learning experience, carefully crafted to help you evolve into a C++ expert. Divided into over 20 sections, this course covers everything you need to master modern C++, from the very basics to advanced features of C++ 20. We begin with an introduction to installing necessary tools and setting up your development environment, ensuring you start with a solid foundation. From there, we move into the core concepts of C++, covering namespaces, the compiler, and even binary conversion. As you progress, we will explore every aspect of C++ 20. Here's a short conclusion of what you will learn. In this course, you will learn everything you need to learn about C++ 20, starting with how to set up your development environment and the tools you will need to begin coding. We will cover the basics of C++, including namespaces, number systems, and the different types of data and variables you'll use in your programs. You'll also dive into how operators work, including arithmetic, logical, and bitwise operators. Next, you'll learn about control structures and loops, which help you manage the flow of your program. We'll explore arrays, vectors, and strings, teaching you how to store and work with different types of data. Functions will be explained in detail, from basic usage to more advanced topics like recursion, function overloading, and passing arrays to functions. Now let's talk about pointers, a powerful feature in C++. Pointers will be covered deeply. You will learn how to work with pointers, manage memory, and avoid common mistakes like memory leaks. We will also introduce smart pointers like unique pointer and shared pointer, which are important in modern C++ programming. We will also explore object-oriented programming, where you will cover classes, objects, inheritance, and more. You will even build a project like a library system to apply what you've learned. C++ also introduces new features like modules and spaceship operator, which you will learn to use for better code organization and simpler comparisons. You will get into more advanced topics like inheritance and polymorphism, which allow you to write more flexible and reusable code. We will cover string manipulation, including how to handle Unicode and use the new C++20 formatting features or format function, which works similar to Python. You will also learn about generic programming and templates, like template class and template functions, which help you write more efficient and reusable code, and exception handling so you can manage errors effectively. We'll dive into modern C++ features like lambda expressions, function pointers, and the standard template library, or STL, focusing on containers, iterators, and algorithms for sorting, searching, and manipulating data. Finally, you'll explore move semantics, an important topic in modern C++ that helps you make your code run faster by managing objects more efficiently. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of C++20 and be ready to apply these skills to real-world projects. Now let's talk about what I mean by real-world projects. In this course, theory is always backed by practical application. Throughout the course, you will complete real-world projects designed to challenge and expand your C++ knowledge. These projects include: the first one is about creating a desktop application similar to MS Excel using Dear I'm Govi library, where you will learn how to handle data, build a user interface, and create a spreadsheet system that performs real-time calculations. And the second project is about developing a vehicle video game using C++ and Unreal Engine 5, where you will see how C++ integrate with game engines, manage complex data structures, and optimize performance in a high-speed environment. That's what C++ is about. It's about speed and managing big data. Stay ahead of the curve with C++20. This course focuses on mastering C++20, the most recent standard covering new features like modules, the spaceship operator, and advanced formatting. While C++ continues to evolve, this course ensures you to stay updated with the latest features and teaches you how to implement them practically. We understand the importance of continuous learning, so as C++23 and future standards roll out, we will keep you updated with new materials and features to ensure you remain at the cutting edge of C++ development. Join the ultimate C++20 journey. By the end of this course, you will not only have a deep understanding of modern C++ concepts, but you will also be confident in applying them to real-world projects, making you a versatile and valuable developer. So what are you waiting for? Let's embark on this exciting journey into the world of modern C++ programming together. Whether you're looking to advance your career, build powerful software, or create amazing games, this course is your ticket to mastering C++ 20 or C++ 23. Let's get started.